welcome to Shiprise Learning. In the last lecture, we have seen the first exercise of chapter 3. In today's lecture, we are going to see the new topic and based on that a new exercise. अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए जिससे आपको मेरे न्यू वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती चलेंगी. सो आज का हम लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं. See here, today's lecture topic is nth term of an AP. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? AP की AP in the sense arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression अपनी की nth term फाइंड करना है. We have to find the nth term of an AP, right? So for that you know that is A1, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on, right? And next was T1, T2, T3, T4 till Tn. This is the sequence of an AP. That is T1, T2, T3, T4 and Tn, right? Now for T1, if I want to find T1, then from the following sequence, the first one is the T1. First term is the T1. That is first term. So T1 is equals to A. Very simple. Now for T2, what I'm going to do is, for T2, I'm going to add the difference, constant difference, common difference between the sequence, right? D was the constant difference, right? So for T2, I'm going to add A plus D. For T3, I'm going to do is A plus D plus D. Or in the simplified form, I can write it at A plus 2D, right? Now what is 2D? How can I represent 2 in another manner? That is A plus, right? 3 minus 1D. What is 3? 3 minus 1D. 3 is nth term. So this becomes A plus 2D. Again this form. So 3 is the nth term. Again for T4, I can write it A plus D plus D plus D. Or another simplified method is A plus 2D plus D or A plus 3D. How to simplify this 3? Again, A plus 4 minus 1D, right? On the base of this, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. Using this formula, we are going to simplify the further sums, right? I think so you have understood where the n came from. N is this term. This term and this term are the same. For T4 it was A plus 4 minus 1D. For T3 it was A plus 3 minus 1D. That is 3 minus 1, that is 2D. 4 minus 1, that is 3D. Right? Similarly, for Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. So on the base of this we are going to solve now some numericals. The first sum is for AP 12, 16, 20 and 24. Find the 24th term of this progression. We have to find the 24th term of this sequence, right? Now see here, for this AP, T1 is equals to 12, T2 is equals to 16, T3 is equals to 20 and T4 is equals to 24. What I want to find is T24 I want to find. So what I'm going to do is, now for what is A? What is A in this one? That is first term. That is A. A is 12. Now I want to find the common difference D. How I'm going to find the common difference? That is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equals to 16 minus 12. That is 4. Now T3 minus T2. I can't say that 4 is the common difference by only subtracting the first 2 digits. I have to clarify it. I have to verify it, right? So I am going to do T3 minus T2. That is 20 minus 16 is equals to 4. Now I say that the common difference, the constant difference is 4. Now I got A is equals to 12 and D is equals to 4. Now what is our formula? That is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. I have Tn, that is T24, right? T24 is equals to, I have the value of A. Obviously, yes, that is 12. Plus, what is N? I told you when I have solved that T3 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1 D. Sorry, 3 minus 1 D. That is, this N and this N should be same. So, this becomes 24 minus 1. 24 minus 1D and D is 4. So, T24 is equals to 12 plus 24 minus 1. This becomes 23 into 4. What is 23 into 4? T24 is equals to 12 plus, this is 92. Now, addition, this becomes 104. 92 plus 12 becomes 104. So, T24, the 24th term of this sequence is 1, 0 and 4, right? 24th term of this progression is 1, 0 and 4, right? I think so you have understood this question. Shifting to the next question. Now the second sum is, find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. In this type of questions, each and every question will be different, but the method and the formula will be the same. Just the number or the sequence has been changed, right? Need not to be confused or need not to be panic. Now see here, find how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5. 3-digit number and divisible by 5. So 3-digit number, what are 3-digit number? Starting 3-digit number is 100. Is 100 divisible by 5? Obviously yes. If you remember, I have given you some idea how to check the divisibility, right? For 5, the last digit at the ones place, it should be 5 or 0. And if 5 or 0 is at the ones place, then the number or the digit is divisible by 5. So, how many digits or how many numbers are there which are divisible by 5? And it should be 3-digit number. So, 3 digits starting from 100. So, 100 is divisible by 5. Again, 101. Obviously not, because at the last ones place I want 0 or 5. So, next number will be 105. After that, 110. Again, 115. See here, 0505, right? At the ones place, the digit should be 0 or either 5. If at the ones place, if it is 0 or 5, then it is 101% divisible by 5. Either it is not divisible by 5. 120 and so on, right? So, which is the last 3-digit number? That is 999. But is 999 divisible by 5? Obviously not. So, what is that number which is divisible by 5 and it should be 3-digit and last number? So, it is 995. Because 999 not possible. 998, that is 998, not possible because last digit is 8. 997, last digit is 7, obviously not possible. 996, last digit is 6, at the ones place the digit is 6, so it is not possible. 995, last ones place is 5, so obviously it is possible and it is divisible by 5. Starting from 100, because 100 is the first 3-digit number and ending to the 995, right? So I got my sequence. The sequence is 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, so on to the last 3-digit number is 995, because the further digit is not divisible by 5. So last digit is 995. So now what is A here? A is the first term. What is A here? That is 100, right? So A is equals to 100. Now what is D? For D, minus T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, and the D is 5, right? So I got A, I got D. Now what is Tn? Tn is equals to 995, because I want to find the digits, how many digits from 100 to 995 are divisible by 5, right? So now what is our formula? Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d, right? So now what is Tn? That is 995 is equal to, at the place of a, that is 100 plus n minus 1, 5, right? Now 995 is equals to 100 plus, now see here, 5 minus 1, n minus 1 into 5. So I am going to multiply with this bracket. So this becomes 5 into n, 5n minus 5 ones are 5. Now see here, 100n minus 5. 100 minus 5 becomes 95. So 995 is equals to 95 plus 5, and now I am going to shift this 95 to this side because it has no n here, right? So without coefficient should be on the same side. So 995 and this 95, I am going to shift this 95 to the opposite side. This is plus 95, shifting to the next side becomes minus 95. So 995 minus 95 is equals to 5, and now what is this 995 minus 95? That is 900 is equals to 5n. 5n means 5 into n. The relation between 5 and n is multiplication. When shifting to this side, it becomes division. If you remember, we have done this in the linear equation. When multiplication shifting to the next side becomes division, the relation goes on changing. So this becomes n is equals to 900 upon 5. So this will becomes n is equals to, now reduce form, 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40 and 0. So n is equals to 180. Right? So how many numbers, how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? That is 180 numbers, right? So 180 numbers are divisible by 5, and that is 3-digit, right? 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5, right? I think so you have understood this question. The next sum is, in an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. See, in an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference, right? Same method, same thing. Nothing to be panicked, nothing to be worried. Same method, right? See here, you have to just understand the question. In an AP 17th term, right? For 17th term, that is T17, right? Now see here, there is no any sequence, nothing is given here, right? So what I am going to do is, T17, what is the formula for Tn? Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. For T17, it should be a plus 17 minus 1 d. So this becomes a plus 16 d. This is for T17. Suppose equation 1, right? Now, is 7 more than its 10th term, right? Now, what is 10th term? T10 is equals to same, a plus 10 minus 1 d. So this becomes a plus 9d. So this is T10, right? This is equation number 2. Now what is our condition? 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. So T17 is equals to 7 plus T10. Now what is T17 here? Replacing this equation 1 and equation 2 in this equation. So this becomes a plus 16d is equals to 7 plus, what is T10? That is a plus 9d, right? Now see here, similar terms get cancelled. A gets cancelled. What is remaining here? 16d is equals to 7 plus 9d, right? Now see here, this is plus 16d and this is plus 9d. I am going to shift this plus 9d to the opposite side. So this becomes plus 9d becomes minus 9d. So this is 16d minus 9d is equals to 7. Now what is 16d minus 9d? That is 7d is equals to 7. Right? For 7D is equals to 7. Now 7 into 2, that this is multiplication. Shifting to this side becomes division. So D is equals to 7 by 7. So D is equals to 1. What I have to find, that was common difference. Find the common difference. So what is the common difference? That is 1. What I have done, that is simple. T17, I have written T17 in the Tn form. This is n form of an AP. So for T17, that is A plus 17 minus 1 D. 17 minus 1, that is 16D. So T17 is A plus 16D. This is equation number 1. For T10, same rule. T10 is equals to A plus 9D. What is our condition? 7th term is more than its 10th term. So T17 is equals to 7 plus T10. Again, I have replaced the formula, cancellation and reduced form. Right? I think so you have understood this question. It's very simple and very easy. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.